No, it wasn't.
Oh, well, you can.
No, actually, I'm not saying no.
Oh, no, I know.
Yeah, no. I got lucky with Sarah. I was just like, I've been there. I've done that. I've done. After all the things.
Hey Gideon, are you good? Yeah, I'm here. I'm gonna put vocals in the wedges so we can converse. Awesome. Okay. I can take the kick. You want some chicken there? Cool. There? Cool. I have this. Cool. Just roll through the tops, please. Cool. And overheads, please. I could do the bass. Cool. Okay, I'll take guitar. Who's ready? It's loud and clear out here. Any monitoring? Coming to the wedge. Can I get a little bit more? Cool. I'll take the other guitar. Thank you. It's loud and clear out here. A little bit more. Alright, awesome. I'll take whoever's ready on vocals. Go.
Yep, check 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. You really only need to put me in this monitor here. And check 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yep, check 1, 2. Yep, go!
Sick, thank you. Where else is ready?
Check 1, 2, check. Oh, check.
Cool. I'll take center. Yeah, you.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! Hey man, I know you. What's up, brother? My baby don't love me. My baby don't make a sound. My baby, he doesn't love me. Maybe he does. Woo! All right, that sounds good.
Awesome. You guys all ready?